Hello everyone. Welcome back to Next Step Immigration. We trust you're doing great today. With a vast choice of activities and employment possibilities, Australia is one of the most popular places for foreigners to settle. The Subclass 408 visa is given to people coming to the Commonwealth of Australia on a temporary basis to do tasks or employment. This category encompasses a variety of activities or types of jobs. The stream determines the length and validity of the visa, and you are permitted to go to Australia with family members thanks to the visa. Who is eligible? To participate in any of the streams, the participant must meet the following fundamental eligibility requirements. 1. Special program. This kind of visa is provided for participation in programs like youth exchange, cultural or community enrichment, international exchange, etc. The visa can be obtained for up to 12 months. 2. Religious activities. Participating in religious work for Australian religious institutions or organizations falls under this category, and it is a 2-year visa. 3. Research activities. In accordance with this, you may participate in research at any project or institution. Up to 2 years may pass before the visa expires. 4. Invited participant. This permits you to enter the country upon invitation for activities like athletic contests, cultural festivals, etc. The visa is only good for 3 months for those activities. 5. Sports. You are allowed to participate in training, coaching, playing, and other sporting activities for teams all around Australia with this visa, and your stay may last up to 2 years. 6. Entertainment-related work. This is for projects involving the cinema, television, music, performances, etc. industries of entertainment, and typically, the validity is up to 2 years. 7. Superyacht crew. With this activity visa, you can work in Australia as a member of a superyacht crew and may be valid for up to 12 months. 8. Exchange arrangements. This allows you to participate in staff exchange programs at Australian universities, thanks to these arrangements. It is also valid for 2 years. 9. Australian government-endorsed events. Entrepreneurs participating in supporting innovations in South Australia events are eligible for this visa. The duration of the visa is either the duration of the event or up to 4 years. 10. Domestic work for executives. Employees who provide domestic assistance in the homes of specific top foreign executives are assigned this visa. Typically, the validity is 2 years. How do you apply? There are several conditions to fulfill in order to be granted an Australia Subclass 408 visa. An Australian sponsor is necessary for this visa. Depending on the length and kind of visa, the sponsor must pass either a support test or a sponsorship test before they may accept you under their sponsorship. They have the authority to sponsor you after the Department of Home Affairs has given them the go-ahead. You are then permitted to get the required documentation in accordance with the stream to which you belong, and then carry out the following steps. 1. Create an account on the website for immigration. 2. Access your account and enter the needed information. 3. Upload the required files. 4. Submit the application and make the necessary visa payments. The application will be handled once it has been submitted successfully. It's important for you to know that the application was completed correctly and honestly. Your visa application may be delayed or even refused if it is incorrect or incomplete. The Australian government takes visa rejections seriously, which may have an impact on future visa applications you make. That will be all in this video. Please share your opinions with us in the comments area. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable the notification bell to receive updates on job and immigration news. Thanks for watching. Good luck.